Creating a powerful presentation usually takes hours. But what if I told you you can generate a complete professional presentation in just a few seconds using AI, and that too for free? In this video, I'll show you not just one, but two powerful AI tools that can do this for you automatically, step by step, without any design skills. These tools will even create images, tables, graphics, everything for you, completely free. So at first, go to this URL and sign up to this account. After signing up, you will find a similar interface like this. I already created so many presentations using this tool. So then click on Create New. And you will see 4 options here: Generate, Paste in Text, Create from Template, and Import File or URL. Click on Generate. Then choose, are you going to create presentation, web page, document, or etc. And also choose how many pages you want. I want 10 pages. And in the description, I'm just pasting the basic input, like create a professional PowerPoint presentation on future impact of AI in primary education. Then click on Generate Outline. It will start generating a professional outline. So that's it. You can check them one by one. And also choose a setting like the text content. You want minimalistic or concise, detailed, or extensive. I personally prefer minimal. Then the visual, I am preferring this default one. Then choose AI images and then click on Generate. The magical fountain starts writing. So the presentation file is now created. Let's check it. So this is the first page of the slide, second page, third page, and see, this looks so professional. If you want to change or modify anything, just use your cursor and retype that. After that, just click on this 3 dot, export, and choose the option of the exportation, like if you want to export to PDF or export to PowerPoint, and even you can export this as PNG or image file. So let's jump to the second AI tool. This is another AI tool which is manus.im. I'm giving you a link so that you can get 1000 token free for lifetime. And also in every day you will get 300 credit for free. I'm giving the same prompt here. And choose Create Slide. Then enter. Immediately it will start creating the PowerPoint slide. Just keep patience and wait few seconds. Just like the previous AI tool, it also created a potential table of content. Then it started creating pages one by one. You can scroll down to check this. When you see all the pages are being created, then you can easily use this download button and you can convert it to PDF, PPTX, or Google Slide. So that's how you can create complete PowerPoint presentation using AI for free, including content, design, images, tables, and everything. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more AI and WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.